Hi kids, let's learn the shapes today. Square. This is square shape. Triangle. This is triangle shape. Heart. This is heart shape. Star. This is star shape. Circle. This is circle shape. Hexagon. This is hexagon shape. Arrow. This is arrow shape. Diamond. This is diamond shape.